So the case study is very important case study, little bit complex case study. Kindly focus. Two case studies I will explain. I maintain little speed. Keep your focus here. First, this was a case study given by Wipro organization in multiple interviews. And around 2 years, the same case study for every candidate who came for Power BI interview. That case study we'll discuss today. Only one case study. Okay, you're appearing for Power BI interview, work on this case study. So this is a case study series. I think it is not completed, right? It will tell you your transformation knowledge. It will tell you your modeling knowledge, how much you have. Look at this. This is an Excel file they're given. Two things. They mailed the candidate two things. One Excel file, one explanation document. We need to see the data here. And based on this document, we need to work. First, we'll go to Excel sheet. This is an Excel sheet. Funding data Excel sheet. State map Excel sheet. State map worksheet. Funding data worksheet having like this. State map like this. Now put your keen observation on this data. Put your keen observation on this data. Completed. Second one, state map. Right. Now, the situation or scenario given by the company. So I changed with this name instead of the company name. Please read it. Please find the attached case study. Kindly complete the given study and send it back within a week. Business case. Analyze venture capital funding data for some of the popular companies and present insights and observations from the data. Please understand that you have to make sense of limited data provided and call out any assumptions you make. The attached Excel workbook has 2 sheets. Funding data, what it has. State map, what it has. Deliverables expected. This is what they are expecting. Kindly read it and answer me. Right. Now answer me. Deliverables expected. You understood, right? Now answer me. Okay, what exactly they're expecting? Online people, you also respond because offline people will hear.
They're expecting one-to-many relationships.
First of all, they're expecting data cleaning and missing value.
Data cleaning.
Perfect. The first sheet, cleaning and missing value treatment. Second sheet, cleaning and missing value treatment. Later, they're expecting
one-to-many relations.
So between these two tables, one-to-many relationship. So this is a case study purely given for testing your ability in the Power Query, ability in the data modeling, no other purposes. How much knowledge you have in the Power Query, how much knowledge you are having in the. And I told you at the beginning of Power Query is for 3 purposes. 1, extract data. 2, transform data. 3, cleaning data. Cleaning also possible. How do you clean it? How do you scrub it? That you need to answer. Tell me what are the columns require cleaning. Now you tell me what. You take your time and tell me. This is a case study. It's not a practice one which I can implement immediately. I need to understand how much you are getting the subject.
So column A, C, and E, where the values are blank.
Right. So if you take permalink level, we have blank values.
Yes.
So we need to replace with some value. Company level, something is not correct. Take Facebook. Okay, tell me, how do you overcome the situation? Huh? Values are blank. Why drill down to left? Note kuch agide. Replace value. Replace null with or null or blank with a proper value. Now in this situation, you have values like this. So please see this. But I want to make all into same. See, BOOK. It should be like Facebook only. If between this space available, it should be like this. All should be same way. How is it possible? Trim. Who told you about trim? You are subject to weak. Trim will remove left and right spaces, not middle spaces. Vocal trim and the trim. Online people. How do you make all into same words?
So we can replace.
One value you can replace, but many places the same issue. See this digg. Again, digg space is there. I'm sure 10 o'clock batch people cannot answer, but 9 o'clock people can answer. Very simple. Split the data and merge it. Split the base run space and combine it. Split and combine. Super, right? Next. Employee count. Wherever a blank available, take 0. City. Okay. Funded date, looking good. Raised amount, looking good. Currency, looking good. Round, looking good. So a couple of columns required. Treatment. Cleaning treatment. 1 over 2. State map. Cleaning required or not required? Compulsory required. Hey, come on, yeah. City having state name. City having state name and multiple times repeated. See, this is 3 times. So duplicates available at the same time. State, it's following with state. So we need to remove this. But luckily, state name with 3 letters only available. 3. Or total 4 actually, if you closely observe. First 2 letters, state starting letters, and then space available, dot available. So 4 letters we need to remove. How do you remove? Right hand side 4 letters. Again trimmer. Trim is only for spaces. What right?
Delimiter.
Hey, come on, make sense. Either delimiter, in delimiter. అందరూ ఉత్సాహంగా ఉల్లాసంగా వచ్చారుగా కేస్ స్టడీస్ అంటే మరి ఉత్సాహంగా ఉల్లాసంగా ఆన్సర్ చేయండి.
Left 2 letters.
ఇలాగే ఉంటాయి, ఎగిరిపోతుంటాయి కంపెనీల్లో ఇంటర్వ్యూకి వెళ్ళినప్పుడు. అంతేగాని యాపిల్ పండు ఇచ్చేసి ఎర్రగా ఉందా తెల్లగా ఉందా అడగారు ఎవరు. నీ తర్వాత మాట్లాడతాం. రైట్, చెప్పండి. Online people.
We can use distinct functions.
Distinct. No, first of all, my question, remove the last 4 characters from each city. How is it possible?
Trimming only, no, sir? Left to right.
Madam, trim. First of all, I will write the trim functionality. Trim for removing left and right spaces only. But DAX level, one more advantage is the DAX level. Middle spaces also it will remove in the DAX language by keeping 1 space. DAX level, if 10 spaces available in the middle, 1 it will keep, remaining it will remove. DAX level advantage is there. But here, okay. So here also split is the concept we use. Split your rightmost delimiter, sorry, not the rightmost occurrence. Split number of characters, rightmost occurrence, then it will split. So here cleaning required 2. 1 is this, second duplicate elimination. 2 topics. Perfect. Okay, I will remove the duplicates. I need to establish a 1-to-many relationship. Which one is 1? Which one is many? How do you identify which one is 1, which one is many? If you don't understand, immediately stop me and get the knowledge. On what basis we identify which one is 1, which one is many? He has explained you. Are you expecting 1-to-many only? You need to understand. 1 means parent. Many means child. Then which one is parent, which one is child? State is child. Parent, why? And then
State map.
State leader. Why state is master?
One state can have many
Please
cities.
look at this. This is having only textual data. Only textual, no measurable. And the city reference I given in the fact table and measurable data available. So this reference given here. And this is a first column. And here it is a somewhere else column. So automatically this is a master one, this is a child one. A business can happen in the same city multiple times, multiple records, multiple cities. But in the state map table, city is always unique. Common sense. No one will tell you. One to many means you need to understand, oh, this table is primary, this table is child. Got clarity? But it is not possible one to many. We'll see one by one. Little confusion will be there, but try to understand. In case in interview people ask a question, explain complex scenario, then you will be in a position to answer this. Open Power BI desktop, our favorite application. Right. Get data. First, what I will do is for my ease of operations, I will copy in the C drive. So this is a D drive or C drive. You all aware of? Don't make the path very lengthy. Microsoft support maximum path characters 255. More than that, it cannot support. So this is a funding case study. Click on it. Get data. Excel workbook. D drive or C drive. Case study. We have state. We have funding data. Shall I click low? No. That correct. But it's a good practice. Always we need to see the data first and go to PowerPoint. We can go directly. That is also true, as we all know. Otherwise, go to look at this. First, this is funding data. Because Excel level, it will look good. But when it comes to Power BI, the column headings may not be proper. If you see our business situation, our tables, when you take into Power BI level, many tables not having proper column headings. So don't think your input data looking good, which means the same way it appears in the Power BI. Power BI may not recognize properly sometimes. So this is looking good, but couple of changes required. Now go to state map. Okay, see. Over? Not good. Go to this. What to do? Transform data. Funding. One by one we will work on. First one, null, clearly showing you. What is null? No value. Null, unknown value. Null, not placed value. It indicates 3. No, unknown, not placed value. Right click, replace values. I will replace null with something like unknown. Click OK. This is unknown. Next company. Company level, I told you, we need to split it. Right click, split column by delimiter. What is the delimiter? Space. Space is the delimiter. Please look at the options. Each occurrence, wherever space available, there you require split. Click OK. This is the first one, second one, third one, maybe multiple splits available. See guys, many. I will combine all. After split, right click, merge. Don't take any delimiter. Simply merge it. Separator none. Split by space, merge without delimiter. I will take here company name. Click OK. Now looking good. Any issue is there? So you got the advantage of split, you got the advantage of merge. Now, employee count, null available. Null looks odd. So take at least some count value. Right click, replace value, null, null with 0. Okay. Now category okay, city okay, city null available. Replace city null with not known, city not known. Funded date is okay, raised amount is okay, raised currency is okay, round is okay. First table successfully transformed. Second table, column heading not proper. So click on it, use first row as header. Second, I need to split into two parts. Right click, split column by delimiter, no, number of characters. There is no separator here, no separator, number of characters. Right click, split column, number of characters. How many? 4. Once as far as right possible. Take here how many characters you want to split. Take here the option. Once means okkasari, right? Split cheyandi. Only one time. Click OK. Successfully completed. See, no split, no city, sorry, no state. It is separated. Why do we require? Right click, our favorite option, remove. Next, city ready, state ready. Now, city level duplicates I want to delete. Blank value I want to delete. See, unknown city. Duplicates also available. How do you delete it? Here we don't go for column level duplicate. Never go for column level duplicate. Same city, same state available. I want to delete it. Click on this. Remove duplicates. So row duplicate now we are doing. So combination city state combinedly available multiple times. Hyderabad, Telangana, Hyderabad, Telangana, Hyderabad, Telangana available. It will remove all. But if you remove only column wise, Hyderabad available in Bihar, Hyderabad available in Uttar Pradesh, Hyderabad available in Pakistan. These all rows it will remove. So don't go column wise, just go to row wise. Understood the purpose of row wise? Click duplicate. Now what about blank? Trimmer. Right click. Remove blank. Do we have here? No. How do you remove them? In that situation, go to city column. Here, remove empty. Remove empty. Remove empty. Empty remove. So this is the purpose of empty removal. Good. Next topic. So no duplicate, nothing. What is the requirement? This is cleaned. Funding data clean. State map clean. Good. Now relationship pending. How do we establish relationship? Go to home, close and apply.
only.
What type of relationship we are expecting? This is a master table, child table. Connect this. What it is asking? No, take your time. Read it.
Relationships.
Hmm?
One too many.
Expecting. The relationship has cardinality minute many. This should be only used if it is expected that neither column 1 contains unique values. So column sorry, city and city. So both the places level unique value is not available, and that the significantly different behavior of minute relationship is understood. So tell me, what did you understand? Read twice and tell me. Online people, you explain me what exactly it's talking about.
Cardinality asking a relationship 1 to 1 or 1 to many.
No. Tell me the message, what it is showing. It's a warning. It's not asking anything. It is a warning. Read the warning.
We are selecting that one many to many relationship. This is should not be used. Right. That is the message warning.
Very simple, guys. It is telling Babu, the city column in the first table, state table, this is not having unique values. At the same time, here also we don't have unique values, which means here you have duplicate value, here also duplicate. Duplicate relationship is many to many only. I'm taking many to many. But what I'm expecting? 1 to many. It will not take because it's going for many to many. Then what to do? If it is that much simple, they will not give you as a case study, right? So what to do? Here we require one more table. One more table required where we split into 2 parts. Without the table, not possible. So go to Power Query area only. Go to Power Query area, state map table. One more copy you create. Right click, duplicate. Right click. Even you can take reference also. Right click reference. Ready. Now, I don't want this. Sorry, I don't want this. A reference. I will take this table as a state table. Which table? I'll take this table as a state table. State. I will remove this. Right click, delete. Now remove duplicates here. State table content, state values unique. Hey, come on, you take mic and speak out. Srinivasu, take mic and speak out. State table, delete duplicate. Only uniquely available. Now, state table value should be there in the city table. Make this one as a city table. But how come you take state value here? Don't take this. First create a surrogate key. right click, index column from 1. Make this first. So this is always, these kind of surrogate keys are helpful in the real time to perform data relationship faster. Don't take text values and date values in the joining. Always take these kind of columns in the joining. Over. Now, this is index state. Now this value I want in the city table. How is it possible? This is a major reason why I asked you at the beginning of our class difference between append and merge. Merge will help you to take columns from one table to another table. So if you want state table index column here, compulsory, it should be merged. What is the commonality available to merge? State. What is the commonality available? State. Shall we do that? Go to city table, merge query, city table, merge query with both are reference, right? I did wrong. Accidentally I took reference. I'll take duplicate only better. Right click, duplicate. Now you are able to understand reference use is not there. Rename state table. Delete this column as I don't want. Delete duplicates. And then add index column. Move this column first. Go to city table. Click on it. Merge query. City table with state table because it's independent. If it is a reference, you cannot join. Able to understand? Yes. Same table cannot join itself. City and state. State to state map it. So when you map these two, automatically index column you will get. And what type of join required? That is important. If you take inner join, problem. Inner join, there is a problem. Unmatched cities, it will move off. But who we have to remove unmatched cities? Already cities customer given, use it, whether matched or not. If a particular state not available for a city, that record it will remove if you take inner join. Inner join will take wherever states are mapped. If state not match, it will not take, but it is wrong at all. So we need to take left join. So city all values it will take. If match available, match. No match available, no problem. That we will handle later. So city state to state table state. Left join. Okay. Merge query, state table, state, left join. Table added. Now click on it. Only index column I require. I don't want this. Only index column. This is state index. When we have state index, what is the need of state? Remove it. Delete it. So we are having now city and state index. But city I need to take in the fact table. How do we take? Again, click on it. Index column from 1. This is city index. I'll click on it. City index. You move the city index to beginning. You move city index to beginning. Now, this index only required in the funding data level. How do you take it? Click on it. Again, merge. Merge table. Funding data, city column to city table, city column. These two are merging so that index you will get. Left join only. We should not avoid any records. City table added. Now what is required from here? City column only required. So city index only required. Got clarity? And what is the need of this then? This is no more required. Right click, delete. So one intermediate table created. and we establish relationships. Click, close, and apply. I will go to modeling. This is auto connected. So which one is a master table here? State table is a master table. State to state index to city index. This is a primary. This is a foreign. Primary, foreign, parent, child. Now city to city map. So this is a primary and this is foreign. So master table for its child, for its subchild. So always fact table is the lowest child table. Remember, fact table is the lowest child table. Good. So 1 to many ready. So this is what customer expecting from the candidate. From this, he will understand he is having good modeling knowledge as well as Power Query knowledge. Multiple topics we used, not 1, 2. Even in our real-time business situations also come like this. You know, to identify the necessary transformations, you know, to identify necessary modeling, and we have to implement. Over. This is one case study you do it, and one more case study I will explain, and that also I will do practically focus. At least you have good hands-on work today. Is this completed already? You also completed? You guys also completed?
Yes,
Yes
sir.
or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay then. If it is completed, no need to discuss.